Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we do all the hard work so you can make the best purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. In the left corner, we have the iRobot Roomba 694, and in the right corner, the Roborock Q7 Max. It's a battle of the bots, folks. Let's see which one sucks the most. In a good way, of course. First up, let's talk about the number that makes or breaks your bank account: price. The Roomba 694 comes in at a wallet-friendly $274. Meanwhile, the Roborock Q7 Max is a bit more bougie at $599. So if you're looking to save some green, Roomba's got your back. But hey, maybe you like living the high life. No judgment here. Now, on to cleaning power. Roomba's got that auto-adjust cleaning head, which is great for handling both carpets and hard floors. But let's be real, Roborock's packing some serious heat with a whopping 4,200 pascals suction power. That's like comparing a gentle breeze to a freaking tornado. Plus, the Roborock will crank up the suction when it senses a carpet. It's like having a vacuum that's also a mind reader. Reviewers say that Roomba does a decent job, especially in homes with pets, but Roborock takes it to another level with its powerful suction and advanced features. Next up, navigation. Roomba's got adaptive navigation with a bunch of sensors to keep it from crashing into your furniture or taking a nosedive down the stairs. But Roborock, this baby's got PreciSense LiDAR navigation and can build a 3D map of your home. You could practically use it to navigate your way to the fridge at night. Roomba is like your friend who needs directions for everything, while Roborock is basically a GPS on steroids. According to reviews, Roomba is reliable but tends to get stuck more often, whereas Roborock's advanced navigation makes it a breeze to use. Let's talk versatility. Roomba sticks to vacuuming, but Roborock is like a Swiss Army knife. It vacuums and mops simultaneously. Plus, it lets you adjust the water flow with 30 different levels. That's more options than a Starbucks menu. If you've got a house full of pets or kids, you might want to consider the Roborock for that extra scrub A dub-dub. Reviewers appreciate Roomba for its simplicity, but they love Roborock for its multifunctionality. Maintenance time. Roomba runs for up to 90 minutes before it needs a recharge. Roborock, on the other hand, can keep going for up to 180 minutes. That's double the time. Plus, it has a combined dustbin and water tank, so you're not constantly emptying it out. It's like the difference between a power nap and a full night's sleep. Who wouldn't want more zizzies? Reviewers note that while Roomba is easy to maintain, Roborock's longer battery life and larger capacity make it more convenient. Overall, reviewers find the iRobot Roomba 694 to be a good budget-friendly option that's reliable and effective, especially in homes with pets. However, it does have some limitations like getting stuck and missing spots. On the other hand, the Roborock Q7 Max receives high praise for its powerful suction, advanced navigation, and multifunctional cleaning capabilities, despite being more expensive. If you're looking for a premium experience, Roborock is the way to go. All right, smart shoppers, there you have it. If you're on a budget and need a reliable vacuum buddy, Roomba 694 is your guy. But if you're ready to splurge a little for some extra features and a cleaner home, the Roborock Q7 Max is the way to go. Which one are you leaning towards? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest comparisons. Until next time, stay smart, stay savvy, and keep those floors clean. Product links are in the description.